Hello, today we'll be talking about Womenpreneur Grant. That's Womenpreneur 5 million grant. Okay, this grant is actually coming from Access Bank, and this grant is one grant that everybody, every woman, should apply for. Okay, so without further ado, take a look at the past winners of this grant. So take a look here. This is 2021. Can you see? Okay. Now the grant is real and is coming from Access Bank. Now the first thing to do, once you come here, you go down and then you're going to be filling your name, your phone number, email address, and what else again, your password, and then confirm your password. Please, you're going to be using a password you sure that you remember, okay, that you can remember with ease. Now the next thing you're going to do, once you do that, you click login. You click login. When you click login, you are going to see yourself here. You're going to meet yourself here in this platform. Now take a look. So this is where you're going to be filling your name, your gender, okay, your date of birth. You click here, and then the next one is your phone number, your email address. You're going to be talking about state of residence or state of business. Then the next one is your business. Is your business registered? You click. If your business is registered, you click yes. And then if it is not registered, you click no. If it is registered, you will click choose file to upload your certificate. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Is very important. Subscribe now. Okay, the next one says where is your business located? So you know where your business is located, and then you click. Okay, you know where your business is located. Then the next one is your website. If yes, what is your website URL? Okay, here I have always advised people, if you don't have a website, you can go to wis.com, wis.com, or your bloggers.com. You can get a free website. Or if you are using WhatsApp business, there is also a way you can copy out your unique WhatsApp business link. So let me show you how to do that.
Once you come to this platform of your WhatsApp, you will see chats, and the next thing you're going to see is status and then course. Okay, all you need to do is take a look up here. You will see these three dots. You click on the three dots, and then you see these options: business tools and new groups and all that. You click on business tools. So what are you going to do? You scroll down, you see labels. The next one is advertise on Facebook and Instagram, and then the next one is short link. So you click on short link. Once you click on short link, okay, you can see here is your unique WhatsApp link. You just click on it. It has copied. Once you copy it, you come down and paste. God bless you.
Okay, now that you already know how to do it, the next thing to do is okay, the next question is asking you, says, do you have a website? Okay, you've done that. Then the next one is input the link to your Instagram. Now to your Instagram / Facebook, if you want to get the link to your Instagram, all you need to do is come here, go to your Facebook page, take a look here where your name is written. Okay, take a look here where your name is written. You click on it, and then You come up where this arrow is, you copy the address you see here. Once you copy it, you come down and paste. You go to, you see it and paste. That is the way to do it. And then the next question says, what motivated you to start the business? What motivated you to start the business? It says, describe your target market and market potentials. The next question says, describe your business model. Okay, these are 3 questions, and the condition is that you should not exceed 200 words. Now, when you want to talk about what motivated you into a business, please don't. One of the mistakes you should make is to tell your creditors that you ventured into a business because you want to make money. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Some people say because I was hungry, no, don't do that. Okay, the best way to do that is to tell them that you moved into a business because you wanted to, solve a need, or you wanted to meet up, with a need, and that is the best thing. So you establish your business to meet a need, or to meet people's needs. That is one of the best ways to tell them, or what actually motivated you into business. Let's just assume maybe in your community there is no place to get catfish or fish. It's difficult getting because no one has fish farm there. You understand? You can say, okay, I established it to meet up, with the demands in my environment, in my community. So you established fish farm to meet the demands of catfish in your environment. As simple as that. Okay. The next one says, describe your target market. Who are your target market? When you're talking about your target market, they include those that are going to buy this product from you. So your target market include household, it include market women, it include fish processors as a fish farmer. Okay, it includes guest houses, hotels, and many more. It could even include the government itself. So the other one says market potential. When we're talking about market potential, talking about maybe revenue, money generated from the selling this fish to your target market. So how do you do that? Let's just assume you have 1,000 customers, and you're able to produce 1,000 catfish. Okay, now 1,000 catfish at the price of 1,000 naira for table size catfish. And then what you should be talking about here is that market potential. If you multiply that 1,000 naira by 1,000 1,000 fish for 1,000 customers, that should be about 1 million naira. Okay, 1 million. So that is, so the market potential in this case is 1 million. Now you move to the next one. It says describe your business model. Now it's asking you, we want to talk about business model. We're talking about ways that your business generates money. What are the services or the products that you are into? For someone who is into catfish, like I said before, I'm going to say maybe that your business generates money, by production of quality, healthy, and affordable catfish. And if you're into processing of catfish, you can also say brooding and processing of catfish. You understand? That's just the way your business makes money. If you're into wholesale drinks, you can also say maybe you sell, and you can add up, maybe say we make profit, or by adding, okay, this is not even about profit, that you make money by adding a markup to those products. Okay, so this is one of the ways your business generates money. That's the business model. Then the next one says, what is the vision of your business? That is very simple. What do you anticipate? What do you anticipate that your business will become tomorrow? In the next 5 years, next 10 years, where do you see your business? Where do you see your business? Where do you see your business in the next thing? So that's what we're going to be talking about. As a fish farmer, you can say maybe that you are going to be establishing, fish farm, in 36 states of Nigeria or in your own country. Okay, please, that reminds me, this is the Nigeria is not the only country, applying for this grant. There are so many other African countries, like Gambia, Ghana, Mozambique, and the rest of them. So the next one says, what is your unique selling point? This unique selling point says it should not be more than 200 words. Now, what are you going to be talking about in unique selling points? What are the age or the what do you have that your competitors do not have? These are the things you're going to be talking about. That is your unique selling points. I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying. What are the things you could do that your competitors cannot do? What are the things you have that your competitors do not have? Let me give you an instance. Like if you take a look at Facebook and TikTok, there is what they call free mode. I think on Facebook, where people even without data can actually browse. I don't think that is obtainable in TikTok. Now, this free mode of a thing alone has the capacity to sustain, to retain customers, Facebook users than TikTok. So that is it. Let us take a look at the next question. What's the next question? The next question says, what social impact does your business have? Now, if you take a look down here, you see, does your business solve problems in community? Does your business have a corporate social responsibility to your community? And then, is your business environment friendly? Okay, and all of these. It says, does the business engage local suppliers? Of course, yes, is the answer. Now, when we talk about corporate social responsibility, we're talking about those things that your enterprise, your company, can do for the environment where the business is situated. Like providing health care for those in that environment, in your business environment. This one is not about making money. It's about you even giving out, not necessarily you making money in this case. It can be about you taking care of erosion problem in the community where your business is situated. Okay, so that is all about corporate social responsibility. So what are those things you think your company can do for the environs, for the community where is situated? These are the things you're going to be talking about. The next one is, let us look at this, what is your dream? Now, the best way to define or to describe this is to take a look at some of the synonyms. I have written down some synonyms here of dream, and this includes vision, includes ambition, aspiration, hope, goal, plan, what do I say again? Aim, target, intention, desire, fantasy, delusion, and the rest of them. Okay, so your dream, you break it down for them. The next one is talking about, it says, what is an innovative marketing strategy that you would like to implement or have implemented in your business? This is not difficult, but first of all, let us break down these three words: innovative, marketing, and strategy. Now, whenever we talk about innovative or innovation, we're talking about things that has to do with new ideas or improving on new ideas. And that new idea must be able to provide or render value to its users. Okay, so the next one is marketing. I'm trying to break down these three words. Marketing can be defined as the process of getting potential clients or customers interested in your products and services. Take a look at this definition by Philip Kotler. Philip Kotler defines marketing as a science and art of exploring, creating, and delivering value to satisfy the needs of a target market at a profit. Okay? And then, for you to understand marketing, there is what we used to, what we call 4 P's of marketing. That 4 P's of marketing, the first P represents product, the second P represents price, and the third P represents place, and then the fourth P is about promotion. It's about promotion. And then let us take a look at the word strategy. I'm trying to break all of these things down. Strategy is a plan of action designed to achieve a long-term overall aim. Okay? Now, what are your business strategy? One thing you must know is that your business strategy must be have a long-term connotation in it. It must be long-term in nature. Okay, so one of those strategies that you could use is what we call call to action. Okay, then there's also another one, it says close range marketing. Okay, and then there's also another one, is a direct marketing, email marketing, diversity marketing, which acknowledges differences in culture and subgroups such as age or gender, and many more. Now, depending on the kind of of business that you are into, you know the kind of strategy that you're going to create for yourself, okay, that has the capacity to last for a very long time. For somebody that is into catfish, you know that the price of pellet is very high. So what are you going to do now to beat your customers? What strategy are you going to adopt, to beat your competitors? Sorry, what strategy? Now, one of those strategies could be to process, to produce, quality and affordable pellets, that is fish feed, using locally produced materials, and this will make it cheaper for you. I don't know if I understand, because the major problem here is in the price of pellet, high cost of pellet. So if you produce those pellets yourself, by using locally sourced material, it's going to be very cheaper, as in cheaper compared to the other pellets in the market. So let us take a look at the next question. The next question says, in what ways has your business been creative? In what ways has your business been creative and innovative during crisis? Now, this question is very sensitive. It looks very simple, but very sensitive and poignant. Now, what you need to do here is this: is asking you, how did you manage, financial crisis? Like 2020 or 2019, we had a coronavirus, where businesses were affected. How did you manage? How did you manage to survive? When you didn't have money to boost your business, how did you manage? Did you borrow from friends? Did you borrow from bank? How did you manage? When your suppliers could not supply you due to coronavirus, how did you manage? How did you survive? So these are the things you will be able to put down here. Then the next one says, it says, what are your business operational processes? The first one talks about sales. Of course, this has to do with sales, generated revenue. Then the next one talks about process. When we talk about management process, we're talking about the organizational planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. Then the next one is accounting. Accounting is the process of recording financial transactions, pertaining to a business. The accounting process includes summarizing and analyzing. Okay. Then the next one is human resources. Human resources is the department within a business that is responsible for all things well, that's worker related, in fact. Worker related, let's put it that way. Now, that includes recruiting, vetting, selecting, hiring, training, promoting, paying, and even firing employees and independent contractors. So let us look at the next question. The next question is, it says, please provide your business financial statement. This one is very old. If you don't have it, all you need to do is just meet an accountant to prepare one for you. But you can also get it from our business plan when you purchase a business plan. If you get a business plan, because what they are looking for is the cash flow, income statement, and the balance sheet. So if you get a business plan from us, you'll be able to get this. Then the next one is as an entrepreneur, what is your area? What is your area of expertise? What is your area of expertise? Now, when we talk about expertise, it means something that you have spent years learning, to do professionally, that you can easily even write about or teach others to do. Okay, so in this case, example of expertise include financial skills, communication and listening skills, analytical and problem-solving skills, critical thinking skills, strategic thinking and planning skills, technical skills, time management, organizational skills, branding, marketing, and networking skills. Okay, so let us take a look at the next question. The next question is, what are your core values? What are your core values? When we talk about core values, we're talking about belief that a person or organization view as being of central importance. Principle or belief that a person or organization views as being of central importance. Now, example of core values include loyalty, honesty, trust, ingenuity, accountability, simplicity, and many more. Okay, so let us take a look at the next question. The next question is it says, what qualities do you have that has helped in the growth of your business? What qualities do you have? This could be integrity. Okay, this could be hard work. You are very hardworking, and this we talk about integrity. We talk about assiduity and many more. Okay, accountability and the rest of them. Then the next one says, do you work full-time or part-time on your business? Of course, the answer is full-time. Don't even make the mistake of it is full-time. Okay, don't select anything. Part-time is not part of it at all. That should not be selected. The next one is, how successful have you been at solving problem? Very successful. Then the next question is, what qualities do you look for when employing? The answer is depending on what you are looking for. Both for myself, I'm looking for something: adaptability, flexibility, self-reliance, teamwork, dependability, and honesty. These are the things that I personally would actually look at for. So let us take a look at the next question. The next question says, describe nature and structure of your describe the nature and structure of your team. And then he is asking, what level of education do your employees have? When you click here, you see bachelor degree, you see postgraduate diploma, you see master's degree, PhD, and others. So you select the one you want. And the next question is, how many employees do you have? So how many employees do you have? That's what we're going to be talking about. So if you have from 0 to 2, they say 0 to 2, 0 to 9, above 10, we talk about it there. Then the next one is, what are the roles and responsibilities of your team? What are the roles and responsibilities of your team? In this case, you might decide to talk about the operations and production team. And then of course the operation and production team is responsible for bringing the product to life. Okay, they receive the product vision from the research team and then bring the product into its finished stage. You can also talk about the sales and marketing team, which is responsible for bringing the product to the market. So then you can also talk about the accounting and finance team, okay, which calculates the sales and reports back to everyone in regards to numbers. Okay, so let us look at the next question. The next question is, it says, do they effectively execute tasks assigned by the manager? Yes should be the answer. Okay, and then this one says, do you encourage contribution of ideas from your staff? Of course, no man is an island, so you do that. So the next one says, did anyone help you fill this form? Of course, no. Don't even try to say yes, except someone filled. But if you feel no, yes, you will be disqualified. If selected, will you be able to attend the mini MBA training? Yes is the answer. Okay, and then it says, if no, of course is yes. It says, please tell us how you heard about this program. Is it through Instagram? Is it through Facebook, Google, friends, blah 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 blah, radio, access, bank staff, and the rest, please? Okay, and then the next one says, accept the conditions, terms and conditions. So you accept or decline. Please, one of the things I'm going to tell you is this: if you don't have access bank account, go and create one now. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, I need you to subscribe to this channel. I really need you to subscribe to this channel. Okay, and take a look in the description. There is also another grant that I talked about, but take a look in the